Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted to-the-point coding tutorials. Today we will be introducing you to Caml. Caml, spelled C-A-M-L, which stands for Categorical Abstract Machine Language, is a statically typed functional programming language. It's widely known for its ability in producing reliable, high-performing software. Caml is founded on the ML programming language, and much like ML, it takes advantage of static type checking and automatic memory management. All these improve the prevention of scripting bugs and enhance software stability. Caml was developed in 1985 at the French Institute for Research in Computer Science and Automation, also known as INRIA. It was initially used as a tool for prototyping the Elon project. The language has evolved significantly over the decades, with the introduction of several versions, including Caml Lite, Caml Special Lite, and Objective Caml, also known as OCaml, which is the main current variant, and the one that is most widely used today. One of the key features of Caml is its emphasis on safety, facilitated by a powerful type system that helps catch programming errors at compile time. It is also rich in modularity and abstraction, providing a robust system of modules and higher-order functions. Caml is equipped with a fully dynamic garbage collector and a compacting memory manager, offering you the power of high-level programming with the performance of low-level languages. Caml is highly versatile, finding its applications in diverse fields, including abstract interpretation, proof checking, programming language research, teaching, and more. It shines particularly in situations that require complex data structures, efficient execution, and the ability to manage large software systems. The Caml ecosystem offers a variety of libraries and tools that improve the power, convenience, and efficiency of software development. A noted extension is the OCaml, providing object-oriented constructs to the core language and a large standard library. Additionally, third-party libraries like LWT for cooperative threading and Core for system programming enrich the Caml environment. Caml enjoys an active community and consistent support from researchers and developers around the world. The official OCaml website serves as a central hub for resources, documentation, and invaluable insights into the language. The community is approachable and helpful, with a variety of forums, mailing lists, and documentation to assist both beginners and experts alike. The dedication of the international community has played a crucial role in the language's development and continued relevance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!